Krishna's Kaviraj explains in Chaitanya Charitamrita that objectively, if someone looks, he'll see that Madhurya Rasa is the highest. The relationship with Krishna and the gopis. This is the highest, most intense and satisfying, pleasing love. But that's objective. So Lord Chaitanya came to give that. It says, Samarpayatum, Anarpita Trim Chirat Karana Yavatirana Kalo, Samarpayatam, Unat Ujjala Rasam, Subhakti Shriyam. Samarpayatum means he's come to give. So if someone is giving you something, it means they're giving you something you don't have. Chiram Churat. Chiram Churat means a long, long time he hasn't given this. Since the previous day of Brahma. Every 314 trillion years, Krishna comes. Every day of Brahma. So many Manus come and go and all this. So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also comes. So it's very long ago that he gave. So only 550 years ago or so, Gauranga Mahaprabhu is he gave to all of his followers, whoever came with him, practically everyone, their Sthai Rati is Madhurya Rati. The 6 Goswamis and Jagannatha Pandit and everyone, they're all in the Sthai Rati of Madhurya Rati.